So now let's see how we can use the guided out of bounds effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the guided tab right here. And once I go around over here, I'm going to go around onto fun edits. And over here, you can see out of bounds is an option. So if I were to go around over here, then I can select out, let's say, for example, a frame right here. So you can see the before and after. So you can go around and add in a frame right here, just like this, onto, let's say, a particular area right over here. So I'm just going to go around right here and then add in a frame in this section. So once I do that, you can see that that is the frame right here. And then you can go around over here and press the check mark button right here. So once you do that, you can go around and choose selection tool right here and select out, let's say, for example, an object that you want to be out of bounds. So I'm just going to select out this flower, as you can see, by using the selection tool that was available for me. And if I were to click on out of bound right here, then you can see that that object gets out of bound now. And you can see that it actually seems as if it is getting out of the picture. You can go around and add in gradient over here as well. So you can go around, select out, let's say, for example, different type of gradients and press OK right here. And then you can go around and choose different colors that you may want to apply over here as well. You can also go around and adjust out the gradient according to how you like. But I'm just going to go around, leave it to default and press OK, just like this. You can add in a shadow over here as well, which may be small, which may be medium right here, or which may be large, as you can see right here, for more 3D effect. And once you're happy, you can go around and click on next and continue editing in Quick or Expert, or save it out as well. So that is how you can use the guided out of bounds effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.